Another incredible week over here at our new home, 495 Carroll. I'm starting you in the piano studio. You can see last time we were looking at the vid, they were just beginning to frame out the studios. Now, all week they've been insulating them, they've been closing them up, drywall. Chris has been here doing electric like 7 days a week. Dude's been working like 10 hours a day. I don't even know how he holds up. He's amazing. I'm gonna take you into one of my favorite studios, which is wrapped right now in heavy vinyl. You can see the black all around it. This is our new drum studio. Oh, it's gonna be so tasty. You can fit 2 drum sets in there. There's gonna be, as you can see, double wall on this sucker. It is heavily insulated. And for those of you who want to take a peek at our drummers, we got a nice little soundproof window in there. You can just spy in on them. Okay, now let's go across the hall here and take a look at our new Rock Right and Record studio. Last time I showed it to you, it was just some frame, but now it's heavily insulated, double walls. In that back corner is where we're gonna have our control booth. So we're gonna be recording. This is a project studio. So this is where all of our advanced bands are gonna be recording, writing and recording their EPs. We're gonna take a quick peek in here. This is our club keyboard room. This is one of the pieces of BMF that we've had to put on pause, but we're gonna fire it back up. For those of you that don't know what club keyboard is, it's a story-driven group piano class for those kids that are just starting the musician's journey. Okay, back there, yeah, that's a gear closet, because of course, where are you gonna store your extra music stands and snare drums? You gotta put them somewhere. Real quick peek in here. Yeah, that's a mini keys studio. It's gonna be incredible. And then finally, the most important room, as you all know, is our community room. Just to vibe that. I'm standing where the desk is and I'm looking straight across the community room. That's where our stage is gonna be. And they're gonna be putting in rods into the concrete above that drop ceiling because they're gonna be hanging a truss there where our lights and our speakers, even we're gonna put a projector there because of course we've got all these amazing music videos that we're always projecting of our original songs. You got to believe a lot can happen in one single week. Dig it.